Model, 2015 Volkswagen Transporter T32 Highline 180 TDI 4Motion DSG Automatic No VAT. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 143954. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 180 PSD. Transmission, 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Needs simple turbo replacement job doing engine still starts and sounds great straightforward easy repair, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest van which has been well looked after. This will make a brilliant camper van conversion. Features, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors, air-con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £12,795 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.